This song is called Avalanche. It's from Leonard's third album, Songs of Love and Hate. And it kind of surprised me when I was doing the research for the book, I guess, that this was one of his Nashville albums. This is probably the least Nashville song that's ever been written, but somehow Leonard managed to project some kind of inner darkness while he was living in a log cabin in Tennessee, shooting icicles off of the eaves with his guns. A very good gunman, apparently, and a pretty decent horse rider, learned at summer camp. And could you hear my guitar? Look at that, I'm showing off now. Was it? Or I couldn't hear it up here.
Yeah.
That's excellent. That's good. It still seems to be in tune. We're going to wait for the big disaster when it happens. I stepped into an avalanche. It covered up my soul. When I'm not this hunchback that you see, I sleep beneath the golden hill. You who wish to conquer pain, you must learn to serve me well. You strike my side by accident as you go down to go. The cripple here that you clothe and feed is neither starved nor cold. He does not ask for your company, not at the center of the world. When I am on a pedestal, you did not raise me there. Your laws do not compel me to kneel grotesque and bare. I myself am the pedestal for this ugly home at which you stare. You who wish to conquer pain, you must learn what makes me kind. The crumbs of love that you offer me, they're the crumbs I left behind. Your pain is no credential here, it's just the shadow of my wound. I have begun to long for you, I who have no greed. I have begun to ask for you, I who have no need. You say you've gone away from me, but I can feel you when you breathe. Do not dress in those rags for me. I know you are not poor. Don't love me quite so fiercely now, when you know that you are not sure. It is your turn, beloved, it is your flesh that I